Start your mycological journey with our complete Boomr Bin Starter Kit, equipped with everything you need to grow pounds of beautiful mushrooms. Each Boomr Bin kit comes with a bag of organic sterilized grain, which can be inoculated in a clean environment using a liquid culture or spore syringe. It also comes with your choice of Boomr bag, ideal for dung-loving mushrooms, or wood lover, ideal for wood-loving mushrooms. We've also included self-adhesive filters that fit over the holes on the Monotub lid to keep out foreign spores and other contaminants, while providing even gas exchange. Once fully colonized, you can use cocoa coir to create a better pinning environment and reduce moisture loss as your mushrooms begin to grow. For more information on the Boomr Bin, check out our website at norspore.com.